Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking.
And the topic of today is, should you move or should you
Improve.
How do you feel about that, Molly?
Well, I'm a little biased. I think that you should improve versus move, but there are disadvantages and advantages to both. So we'll tell you why we think you should improve.
Number one is it really does cost less to improve your house.
Yeah.
Of course, remodeling is not inexpensive, but it is definitely less expensive than moving to an entirely new home.
Yes.
So that's what we believe is really one advantage.
Second is when you improve your existing home that you live in, you can personalize it to the way you want it in your existing space. You can make it your own and you can make it how you want versus when you buy a new home or you build a new home, you may have to settle for certain things or compromise on those things. You may end up having to renovate that space anyway.
Right. Another one is it actually does add value to your home. So in the future, let's just say you do want to sell the house. The fact that it's improved and updated will not only add value, but will also help the house sell much more quickly.
Yes, and relocating is a long, stressful process. That doesn't mean remodeling isn't long and stressful, but at the end of remodeling, then you have the house, your house, the way you want it. You're keeping all of those wonderful memories that you created in that house. You're not having to leave that. If you have a neighborhood that you love to be in, you don't have to leave that either. You get to keep all of those things and then really make it the way you want and stay in place.
That's right. So that's how we like to improve, but we just wanted to let you have a few ideas of move or improve, today's topic.
Yeah, so join us next time on Remodel Your Thinking. And please, if you like what you see, then press the like button. And then also, please share with your friends and your neighbors and your family.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.